Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Truvon here. Today I am in a town called Asenema in the eastern region, and I'm here with Grandma. Apparently she is the queen of Gari making. So today she's going to teach us the process of making our delicious delicacy called Gari. Grandma, action. Anche.
Oh, now I record, baby.
Grandma Anche. Grandma Pacho, your friend was saying. Yabua. Yabua Mary. Okay, so Grandma is called Yabua Mary. Grandma, if you don't say no why Gari, like how long have you been doing Gari? 1980. Okay, so Grandma has been making Gari since 1980. That's older than I am. Okay, so Grandma, hey, I'm why Gari since we started and oh wow. No wonder she's the queen of Gari making. So she has lived here for over 30 years making Gari in this town called Asenema. And as you can see, she is already preparing this is cassava, her cassava to start the process of the Gari making. So she's going to take us through everything. And she's not Pat, you already know her, she's my mom. And we have Obi. Okay, we have Mr. Obi here. And then we have our sister there, Mansa, sister Mansa with her son. Hi. And then we have another sister here called Esther. Okay. So this is the cassava that we are working on. Grandma, wow. So this is a lot of cassava, guys. A lot of cassava, and they are going to peel off all the cassava into this. Going to take the skin off into this, and then continue the process from there. So after peeling it, we wash it to take off all the dirt before you grate or grind or blend it. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so we clean it with this cloth, just take off the dirt, and then we put it here. So I see that this one is yellow. So this is what gives the Gari the yellow color, and then this one is white. You have two types of the cassava, but this one I heard is very scarce to come by. But that is what gives the Gari the yellow color. I don't know if you can see, but I think you can see. This one is white, and this one is yellow. This place is a whole village of Gari makers. Everyone here makes Gari. You can see that there's one. There's another one here. There's one there. There's one. So from there, we're going to keep it in this big basket. This one has to be full before they start grinding it in the machine. So you see, our basket is full now. And we have excess all the way. And now it's time to blend it. So before you do it, you lay the sack with another sack. Okay, just to secure the base of the sack. And then, so this is the grated cassava. And they are just going to put it in this sack. Put pressure on it to extract all the water from the cassava. Meet our sister Millicent. She's the one showing us the process of extracting the liquid from the grated cassava. It's not an easy task, guys. I have to even protect myself. See? Because the flies, the insects are very trouble. And you have to be careful. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So she's doing it for me. Thank you. Okay, this is better. Be careful. The place is slippery, so you really have to be careful. You have to press it. You want to stack up a lot of cassava in this. You have a full sack, and then what do we do? Over palm on. So you cover with another sack. has been extracted from this, so you can see that it's flatter, and then this one is a little bulky. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to line them up here and extract the chews from it. After extracting the water, we have this one. It's kind of dried, and then Grandma will sieve it here. So that's what she's doing to get this very smooth, just like we did with the yakayake. You know, you get this smooth mixture, and then that's what you fry here. So I'm going to help Grandma to sieve the. Where am I saying? Banchi Marina. Okay. So this is like a cassava dough. So I'm going to help Grandma sieve the cassava dough here, and then we'll go and fry it here. So actually they don't waste any of the... Oh, okay. Okay, so what they actually do is they start from here into over Chimikaka. I don't want summer. Okay, so they start from here, you fry it for a little bit, you transfer to this person, and then you also transfer to this person, and then this is the last person. So Grandma starts here. These are all like local stores. It's when one am here Muchiano. Okay. So they created their own stove here. So I'm helping them to. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it here.
Where the factory more. Very interesting.
I want to buy some, so Grandma is even this. You want it very smooth. You can see that there's still some lumps in it. So you sieve it again to get a very smooth mixture beneath. Oh, mommy, I had Grandma. Let me have a taste. Compared to, this is really nice and fresh.